Lahiri sir. Welcome sir. Give a big hand. Next, I would like to welcome our principal ma'am, Mrs. Qamar Sultana ma'am. Welcome ma'am. Next, I cordially welcome to our vice principal, Mrs. Sajida Anju ma'am. Welcome ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome our educational coordinator, Mr. Shivanand Swami Iyer sir. Welcome sir. Next, I would like to welcome our teaching and non-teaching staff. Welcome teachers. Yes. Special guests, all the dear parents, I heartily welcome you all, and dear students, welcome, welcome, welcome. From homework to detention, from homework to detention, from advice to inspiration, from homework to detention, from advice to inspiration, everything you have given has pumped us up with motivation. I humbly invite you our respected principal ma'am to share academic report and update us on our school progress. Ma'am, you are welcome to proceed. Give a big hand.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Honorable members on the dais, respected parents, dear teachers and my beloved students, good morning to everyone. I extend a warm welcome to all the parents over here. Your presence today reflects your seriousness regarding your child's education. School and parents together play a vital role in shaping child's future. Today, I would like to present the overall academic progress report of our students from nursery to standard 10 standards for this academic year 2025 and 26. This year, our school took a conscious and well-planned decision to give maximum priority to academic and basic learning skills. Keeping students' future in mind, we focus more on reading ability, understanding concept, language development, and exam preparations. For this reason, we avoided large-scale activities such as annual day, sports day, and other celebrations so that our students' time is fully utilized for learning. Teachers can concentrate on academics. Weak areas can be strengthened more. This decision was taken purely for the academic development of students, and surely we can see the results now. Another major goal for this academic year was developing reading skill and English speaking. Daily and weekly reading practices was conducted from nursery onwards. Students were encouraged to read aloud in the classroom. Special attention is given to pronunciation, fluency and confidence. Simple English speaking activities were conducted during the classroom. As a result, students are now more confident in reading. Vocabulary has improved. English speaking fear is being removed from the students. We can significantly see the results from primary to middle class students. To motivate students, we organize reading competition, class-wise reading challenges, oral reading and recitation activities. These activities help students to overcome stage fear, improve focus and listening skills, develop healthy academic competitions. To ensure regular study habits, we introduce sleep tests, surprise tests, short written tests and oral assessments. This helps us to identify weak students, monitor day-to-day learning, reduce exam fear among the students, improve writing speed and accuracy among the students. Sleep tests make students consistent learners rather than last-minute readers. I would like to tell you the academic progress class-wise. Firstly, I like to share the progress of nursery to UKG students. students show strong improvement in phonics, rhymes, number sense, and classroom disciplines. Our first to fourth standard students will focus on reading fluency, handwriting, basic grammar, and math fundamentals. For high school we focus more on syllabus completion, revision, test practice, and exam-oriented preparation were our priority. Without whom this achievement would have not been possible, that is our teachers. I sincerely appreciate our teachers for their dedication. They worked beyond regular hours, conducted remedial and revision classes, focused on slow learners, maintained regular communication with the parents, and they presented you the daily defaulter reports on the respective WhatsApp groups, which shows their progress regarding homework, reading practice, attendance, and classwork work. Their hard work has directly reflected in our students' improvement. Thank you, teachers. I also need the complete cooperation from the parents also. Here, dear parents, your cooperation is very essential. Kindly ensure your child should read at home on regular basis. Monitor their homework and test preparation. Reduce unnecessary usage of mobile phone. Encourage discipline and punctuality to the school. When parents and teachers work together, students surely succeed. I am happy to state overall academic growth from nursery to 10th standard is positive and progressive. Our focused academic approach this year has strengthened students' basic confidence and learning habits. With your continued support, inshallah, we will achieve even better academic excellence in the coming years. Thank you for your trust and cooperation. May Allah bless our students with knowledge, character, and success. Thank you.
Of our slow learners, boosting their confidence, inform to the parents your efforts of truly making a difference in their journey. Thank you, ma'am.